I am going to be showing you how you can design your own keycap sets. It is a very simple process, and I'm very excited because I just found out how to use this, and it's just a really fun process. So, all right. So the first thing you want to do is search up KLE editor, and this is the URL, the correct URL, so don't trust anything else. So just open that. First thing I like to do, or you should do, is get a preset. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the default 60%, but there are tons and tons of them. I'm not part of the 60% gang, but it's just what most people like. 65, 60. Alright, so you want to find inspiration from something, obviously. That's how inspiration works. So there's this website called imagecolorpicker.com where you put in an image and it gives you a color palette. But for this video, I'm going to be using a color wheel. So just find the right colors. This is a nice one. I'm gonna go with this design. So I'm going to be using, oh, it's not. Alright, so we're gonna click to copy, and then we're gonna go back to here. So I think that I'm going to use the purple as the alpha key's key color. Not the legend, but the key color. So press Control and then click all the keys that you want to use, or you want to color. And then go down to key color and put in the correct color that you want. And now what I'm going to do, the modifiers. Except I like to my escape key in this situation because it's a 60%, but I like my escape key, which is also this, my space bar and my enter, to all be different colors. So next, I'm going to go back to the color wheel, copy this, and then we're going to put in that code. So now that you have the legends, let's do the number keys. So now that there are no more colors, we can let's try to find a different color. Ooh. I think pink would look good on this. So oh. 2, 3, 4. So we're going to change the color of these to pink. And these also to pink. What color should the legends be? Let's have them be this purple. Legends in, and then we'll just have these be something subtle, like just gonna mix things up. Oh, this looks nice. Will have to be that mint green, and the legends will be alright. So I think that we are done with the keycaps, but the keycaps are not the only things that you can design. Like, let's take these. You can customize the case as well, but some of the textures will get rid of the color, so keep that in mind when you're making your case aluminum and stuff. It's not gonna, might not stay the way you want it to. Let's do ABS WA, but it's not gonna keep its color. How about made by the one and only me? You can mounting style, but we're just doing keycaps. I just did that because I was bored. So then what you want to do is download. Make sure that you download it as a JSON file. So this way, now you can go to KLE render, and it'll only take JSON files. So that's why you wanted to make sure that you made it a JSON file. And it'll do that. So once you have that, there are things you can do on like Blender and stuff, but that costs money, so we're not going to do that. You can also add different legends. So it's fairly simple, and I was so excited when I found this. I made my first design, which is a mix of the GMK Modern Dolch and the GMK Laser. So this is my first design, and it's just a very fun process, and I'm glad that I can show it to other people. But I gotta end this off because it's already a pretty long video, so goodbye.
Goodbye, my fellow keyboard lovers.